Oh man, is it going to be a long weekend, guys? Look at what's going on right here. Bitcoin right now is at $19,000 a coin. It's down 6.8% on the day thus far. It is down over $1,400. And we have Ethereum. Oh man, don't even get me started, guys. Ethereum is down under 1,000. So we got to break down the charts here on Bitcoin. Then later in the video, and by the way, this platform right here that I'm using is Webull. You guys can get 6 free stocks from Webull down below with any amount deposited. And later we'll jump into ThinkOrSwim and go over some of these cryptocurrency stocks, which could be in the gutter heavily next week come Tuesday, as we do have a short week this week, as it is a federal holiday. It's Juneteenth. Happy Juneteenth, guys. So yeah, let's get into this right now. BTC is at $19,000 a coin. Again, down 7%. And what we're noticing here is we've actually fallen under the highs from 2017. This is very critical, and I've talked about this on my YouTube channel, and I don't talk about crypto too much, obviously, because this is a stock market, mostly, a stock market channel, but we do cover kind of the, what's going on in finance in general, right? So if there is something crazy going on in crypto, which right now there is, we're going to cover it. You bet your you-know-what, we're going to cover it here on the channel. So we are now falling under the lows, or rather the highs, from 2017. If you guys don't remember, we were in a crazy crypto manic, mania bubble, whatever you want to call it, back in 2017. And that's actually when I got introduced to Bitcoin about 5 years ago. And I'm not one of these early movers that were in it in 2012 or something like that, but I got introduced to it in 2017, and I was buying Bitcoin, in the, a couple thousand a coin, 5,000, and I made my money back here. And thankfully I sold before Bitcoin busted, and I actually had Litecoin as well. That's one that I didn't sell. I lost so much freaking money on Litecoin, guys. I've mentioned this before on the channel. But thankfully on Bitcoin, like I said, I was able to get out of that and make some decent money. Then it dumped. I kind of forgot about Bitcoin, and a lot of people did. It went through this phase where it was kind of quiet here. In 2017 to 2018 into 2019, this thing was falling little bit by little bit. It was in a deep bear market for a good year and a half, and then we had that run in 2019 from about 3,000 to about 13,000, and notice that's where we peaked in 2019, about 13 to 14,000, and then we had another little push to the downside where it went to about 4,000, and that's during the COVID crash. If you guys remember, look at this right here. Bitcoin went down to 4,000, and then as we started getting out of that COVID crash into 2021, rather not into 2021, but deeper into 2020, that's where we got that unreal explosion, right? Heading into 2021. And that's actually where I was buying Bitcoin, for the second go around, because again, I ended up buying it in 2017, made money there, bought more in, or bought back in rather in, 2020, right around 8, 10, 12, 15,000, was buying all the way up. And then I've said many times, time and time again, I ended up selling 3/4 of my Bitcoin at 55,000 back in, the March, April, May period of 2021. And I still own Bitcoin today, but now that we're getting to these critical levels, and I think we're going to be going lower, guys, that's kind of what I'm getting at here. I'm going to be looking to get way more Bitcoin. Well, maybe not way more, but I'm trying to get my position built back up, because again, I sold a lot of Bitcoin at 55K. So at this point, I want to get back in, and I'm targeting around 12, 13, 14K. I think that's where this could be going. If this bear market gets uglier, and I think it will, guys, before it gets better, we get back to a bull market, I think we're going to get back down to 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. And I've told you guys before, I'm not a huge crypto guy, but I do want to capitalize on the price swings, because I do think, although a lot of people are crazy about Bitcoin, and sometimes in my eyes I'm like, oh, this high price can't be justified. I do think, though, when we get very, very, we swing downwards heavily, we get way oversold, I do believe we're going to get some sort of snapback. And, that's kind of me trading Bitcoin, right? I don't want to hold it for the way long term unless it does get down under 10,000, then maybe I'd be like, all right, screw it. Let me put a couple thousand in it here, and then I'll just put it in the filing cabinet and forget about it. And if it works out, maybe I'll make a 1020x if it really plays out like all the Bitcoin maximalists think. But if it goes to zero, okay, I didn't lose that much money. So Bitcoin is getting destroyed, guys. Look at what's going to happen under, I think it's going to go under 19. Right now, it's literally flirting with 19,000. There it goes. Under 19,000 there goes BTC, guys. Let's pull up Ethereum. Ethereum is also getting, it's getting clapped right now. Ethereum is well under those highs from back in, when was that? 2018. And if I zoom, let's see if I could scroll out here. Where were we in 2017? Oh my goodness, I didn't even realize. Wow, look at that. I forgot. Well, I kind of remember now, but I forgot for a second. Ethereum was $5 5 years ago. It ran all the way to about 1,300 during that big bull run in 2017-18. Then it collapsed all the way down to about 50, 60, 70, whatever. And then it took off, obviously, to about 4,800, almost 5,000, which is that all-time high. And now we're down 80%. We're well under that high from 2018 as well. So at this point, Ethereum, where is this thing going? I mean, there's a gap right here. If I zoom in, I don't even know how to zoom in on this, guys. Bear with me, because I mostly use ThinkOrSwim for my charting. But for crypto, I love Webull. I love Webull for crypto. Not necessarily, I mean, you can trade crypto, buy and trade it. But I really like the platform that Webull has for charting, watch lists, all that good stuff. I love using it. So it looks like we have a gap right here. Oh, 800. That's where this could be going. Look, we peaked at $800 literally 4 years ago, May of 2018, and then we went down to about 80, right? So we went from 800 down to about 80. 3-4 years ago, which is nuts. So I think that's where we could be going on Ethereum. 800, 850, and if that point breaks, oh my God, watch out below. I mean, we could be going another 50% down based on this chart. Some of these main resistance points from June 2019 are around 380, 400, 450. 2020, that's where we were. Even 2 years ago, not even 2 years ago, August 2020, Ethereum was at 450, 500. Don't be surprised if that's where we go. And personally, I've never owned Ethereum, but let me tell you this. If Ethereum gets down to 500, I would consider throwing some speculative money at it. That's kind of the equivalent to Bitcoin getting maybe to 10,000, right? So let's see. These are two that I'm watching. For me, crypto is really speculative. I'm kind of more of a set it and forget it type of long-term investor with my money in the stock market. And of course, I do trading, options, all that good stuff with my trading account. But for me, I'm looking at this more as a trade, more speculative. And I want to put some money to work here and let it ride for a little bit, and we'll see if we can make some money on it. I feel like we could, especially if Ethereum, Bitcoin get down to those levels that I mentioned, which it might not happen, but in due time we shall see. And let's have some fun now and look at Dogecoin very quickly. Dogecoin, oh my goodness, this thing is a disaster. Dogecoin year to date is down a lot. Today it's down 7%, and on the 5-year chart, you all can see the craziness here of Dogecoin. And let me actually zoom out here. What am I doing? I need to learn how to use this platform a little bit better. Let's see here. I do like the charting, though. It's great. Let's see. There we go. All right, look at this. 15 cents, that's where we were literally 3 months ago on Dogecoin. If I pull up the 5-year chart, and we scroll back in time a bit, why isn't this not showing Dogecoin? Anyway, this is a disaster. So with that being said, guys, let's go over here to these stocks, because you bet your you-know-what, on Monday, well, not Monday, but Tuesday next week, we're going to be set up for a disaster, most likely, with these crypto stocks. And there goes Siri talking to me on here. Coinbase is in for it, guys. Coinbase is in for it 1,000%. Look at this. Coinbase is now at $51. That's what it closed at on Friday. But on Tuesday, I mean, what do you think is going to happen these next couple of days, guys, with Bitcoin, Ethereum? I mean, that's the only market in reality where most people are going to be trading. Stock market's closed. People are going to be in crypto, and it's definitely worth watching over these next couple of days. I mean, who knows? We could be under 18,000. We could continue this big down push into the next week, and Coinbase at that point is easily going to be into the 40s. No doubt about it. $40, $45, maybe even worse, guys, depending on how far we're going to be moving down on Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're approaching key levels, guys. Ethereum under 1,000, Bitcoin under 20,000. These are psychological levels that we are now breaking. Voyager, VYGVF. Let's pull it up. Voyager is literally now a penny stock, or actually it closed at $1.02, which I still consider a penny stock, but under $1. Look, it got under $1, 93 cents on Friday. What a freaking disaster, guys. We have companies like Square. I think Square's going to get destroyed next week by the looks of it. Square went up on the day on Friday, okay, but I mean, they have a decent exposure to Bitcoin, crypto, all that stuff. So could this go under 50? Absolutely, guys. Absolutely. What's another one? Maybe Tesla. I don't know how much Bitcoin they have these days. And actually, I mean, it's not that big of a weight for Tesla. But Elon Musk, he loves crypto. You got to watch out what happens with them. So you guys got to realize the drop in Bitcoin, Ethereum, this has a lot of effect on a lot of publicly traded companies here in the United States. So we got to watch out for them. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Just wanted to hop in here quickly on this Saturday morning, guys. I'm going to probably go to the gym after this, have some fun, maybe grill after that, and maybe make some more videos. I've been doing a lot of videos on TikTok, guys. Make sure to follow me there at StasserFez. And we're for sure going to surpass the YouTube channel in terms of followers on TikTok, because the growth on TikTok right now is insane. Week over week, my channel is growing like 100%, 50%. I mean, it's exploding right now. So go on TikTok at StasserFez. Follow along follow along there. I do live streams there a bunch, and I just make a bunch of content. Hit the like button on this video. Get your 5 or 6 stocks from Webull with any amount deposited. That's linked down below. And you could also get 10 stocks from Moomoo. Literally free money, guys, with a $100 deposit. That's linked down below. And with that being said, cheers. Good luck in these freaking crypto markets. Holy crap, guys. It's going to be a rough weekend by the looks of it. I'll see you in the next video. Maybe we'll do a crypto update tomorrow as well. I'll see you guys. Peace out.